In this video, I'm going to be talking about a product that I get an awful lot of questions about. That is Scott's Turf Builder Pro Lawn Food. It's actually very similar to Scott's Step 3. If you're looking to step up your lawn care game this summer, this could be a good option for you, particularly because of the way it delivers nitrogen, which is essential for a healthy green lawn. The Scott's Turf Builder Pro Lawn Food, just like the Scott's Step 3, is a 32, a 0, and a 4, plus 2% iron. Now that 32% nitrogen is a balanced nitrogen. It has a balance of quick and slow release nitrogen. So it's going to give you a quick burst and long, steady greening over about a 4 or 6 week period. The potassium, when you're thinking about NPK, your 32, your 0, your 4. Your 32 is growth up. The 0, well, there's nothing in there, but is your phosphorus. That's for growth down, and the potassium is for overall health of the plant. I'll break this down for you. Scott's Pro Lawn Food uses both quick release and slow release nitrogen. The slow release nitrogen is what gives your lawn a consistent green over several weeks. It breaks down gradually and avoids the sudden growth spurts that you get with quick release fertilizers. It also helps to avoid burning of your grass. Together, the quick and the slow release nitrogen work to give your lawn immediate and long-lasting results, helping to keep your lawn green and healthy. So when are some good times that you could apply this product? Well, you could apply it in early spring, you could apply it in late spring, you could apply it in early summer, you could apply it in late summer, and you could apply it in early to mid-fall. I wouldn't apply it during times of drought or when your grass is under heat stress. Of course, following the directions and the recommendations on the label. Now here are a few quick tips to help you get the most out of this product. Always water after application. Avoid applying before a heavy rain. Stick to the recommended application rate. Mow regularly and maintain good watering habits. When it comes to figuring out how much I'm actually putting down, I could do one of two things. I could weigh it, or I could break this into sections, which is what I do from time to time if the application that I'm putting down is approximately in 1,000 square foot sections. To do that, I'll take a measuring tape, figure out how much fertilizer is in the bag. I got 8 inches worth here, and now I'll break it down into 4 2-inch sections. So I have here. That's good for 1,000 square feet. That's good for 1,000 square feet. That's good for 1,000 square feet. And the remainder is good for 1,000 square feet as well. So now with my line here, I'll empty this much into my spreader. I'll keep my finger there so I know where I'm at. Still a little bit more to go. You can see I'm just at that line now. Now, different spreaders are going to have different settings. Scott recommends for the Elite that you set the dial to 3.5. A tip for you when it comes to filling your spreader. Make sure you are not on your lawn when you're filling your spreader. Accidents will happen, and if you ask any lawn pro out there, it has probably happened to them before, where you spill it on the lawn and then you burn the lawn. I know people have spilt it on their lawn, tried to shop vac it up or water it excessively to try to eliminate the damage, but it does burn regardless. I'll add a link to where you can pick one of these things up. I use this commercially and have no problems with it at all. One thing that people get wrong all the time when it comes to putting down fertilizer, I get comments about it all the time. I walk too fast or I walk too slow. You should be walking 3.5 miles an hour. And what does that look like? Well, it's not a power walking competition and it's not a stroll down a dock. Somewhere in between. You should be walking like you're going to get yourself a coffee at a coffee shop before running back to work. You've got a little hustle in that. You also should be focusing on your pattern, how you're putting down the fertilizer. I'll be using, as I said, my Scott's Elite, which has my edge guard. I'll do a lap around the outside first with my edge guard engaged, so it is that I'm not spreading stuff onto the sidewalk. Once that's done, I'll loop back around, overlapping my first run, shutting off my edge guard, and continuing with the overlap every run. Now with my first application done in one direction, I'm going to change and go the opposite direction. Now here's a look at this lawn after 5 days. It's had time for the nitrogen to kick in, so you can see I've got quite a bit of growth over those 5 days. And look how dark that's gotten. Again, after 5 days, and you can see that grass is darkened up very well. If you're looking for a simple way to give your lawn a serious boost, Scott's Turf Builder Pro Lawn Food is a very good choice. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. You can like it and make sure to comment if you have any questions about this or any other lawn care product. I'm Jeff Seaton. Thank you for watching.